everybody, today I'm going to share how to do my daily breakfast. Let's start cooking! In order to make a breakfast in low calories, I use tofu sheet which is only 70 calories per sheet. Here I get 2. Then I get some fresh onion, cucumber, lettuce, and sausage. 1 egg, 1 cheese. First of all, we crack the egg into the bowl and start stirring. After stirring well, we start making egg sheet. We heat the wok first, add some oil, and put the egg into the wok. Then fry it into the egg sheet. Then fry the sausage. In order to save some time, I cut the sausage into 3 pieces. After egg and sausage is fried well, we can start combining these ingredients. Let's enjoy it.